Hey, welcome to Tech Educator. So we have seen in the last video what is the report event, how it works, and how we can query and what are the prerequisite for this report event. So now we are going to cover the trigger part where we can trigger the email to the admin using Apex. Okay, so let's get started. Um, So let's create an Apex class. Okay. So now we are going to cover asynchronous class. So we are going to create a schedulable class in which we are going to trigger the email. Okay. So here, one thing to note here is that we cannot use the a report event object, or we cannot query the report event object in batch class. Okay, so we need to use either a trigger, or we need to use other asynchronous. Okay, so now today we are going to cover with the schedulable, so that we can schedule the class, and we can get the notification on a daily basis. Okay, let's convert this into uh, reliable class. So, let's see. So I'm going to use try catch block. Okay. So first let's query the report event. So I'm going to query the previous day report event. Okay. So we cannot use created date. So instead of that, we need to use event date. So because created date on the filter on the created date will not be allowed on the report event. Uh, okay. And then I'm going to loop it. So I'm going to query or I need to I'm going to create an operation. Uh, I'm going to trigger a email for the operation that is export report. Okay, so also one more thing here to notice, you cannot filter the result based on the operation. Okay, so you need to query all the operation and then you need to filter out in your class. So that's a limitation here. So I'm going to create a list here. So I'm going to convert the email into a table. So based on that, I'm going to create the header, table header, and then table data. Okay, and then it will say, let's say I need to use its a name, and then report name, then report ID, and then again let's say report ID and then created date. Okay, created date, and then yeah, let's okay. So I'm going to create a list here so that I can store. So list string. Okay, here it is good. Now let's create header part for the table. Okay, so header line. Move it and then start the table. Okay, and then table row, then table header. Um, say user name, and then table header. Okay, so table header, and then username, and then I'm going to say port name, and again uh, report ID. Okay, and then created date. Okay, and then close it, close table header. Okay, yeah. So now let's loop your string. Let's say body. Okay. And then we can close the table now. So let's say if if this has any row, we can say dot size is greater than 0. Then we have to trigger an email, right? So I create a method, send mail, and then you can send the mail to the email address. Okay, so I'm going to say, okay, and then I'll create header. So check line, and then body. Okay, yeah. And then in the catch, if I found any exception, then I can catch it. I can. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So you can see here, uh, email, subject and body, and we can send the email successfully. If the result is your success, then we can say email sent successfully. Okay, let's save it. Um, Save the class. So there was an issue with the class name. So I have changed it, and here you can see the send email method. Okay. So let's execute. Let's schedule this class first. And yeah, so let's schedule the schedulable class. So I have written a class, and I am scheduling this. So let's execute it and see whether the class is scheduled. Okay, yeah, this class is scheduled. So let's see the result. Yeah, so here you can see the report notification has been sent to the user, and here is what the table will look like. So yeah, that's it from this. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.